Facebook app stuck on loading screen, infinite spin, white screen of death, or feed just won't load past a few posts. Super annoying, right? Today I'll show you the most effective fixes that work right now. Let's get started. Fix 1. Basic quick checks. First thing first, check internet. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Try a different network. Weak signal equal endless loading. Restart the phone first, power off, wait 30 seconds and turn back on. It clears temporary glitches. Force stop Facebook. Go to your phone settings, then apps, then manage apps or app management depends on your phone model. Then find Facebook from the list. Tap on it. Tap on force stop. Reopen the app. Often fixes stuck loading instantly. Fix 2 is clear cache and data. Most common solution. Corrupted cache is the number one culprit for infinite loading or keeps loading problem. Go to the settings, then apps and app management or manage apps again, then Facebook and tap on storage or storage and cache. Then tap clear cache. Confirm it's safe, will not log you out. Reopen the app, should load much faster. Still stuck? Tap clear storage or clear data. Confirm. This resets the app like new. You will need to log in again. This fixes 80% of stuck loading issues, including white screen problems. Third fix is update or reinstall the app. Outdated app equal compatibility bugs. Open Google Play Store, search for Facebook, tap update if available. If the app is updated but still broken, long press Facebook icon, go to app info, then uninstall or uninstall updates if system app. Go back to Google Play Store and reinstall a fresh version. Then log in and test again. Advanced and last resort. If nothing works, check for outages. Open a browser, go to downdetector.com/Facebook. See if others report same issue. The server-side problem. Just wait. Clear system cache. Rare but helps. Restart in recovery mode. Hold the power button plus volume down on most devices. Wipe cache, partition, and reboot. Then update Android. Go to settings, then find system and system update. Try Facebook Lite. Search on Google Play Store. It is a lighter version, loads faster on slow connections or devices. There you go. Facebook should stop the endless loading loop now. If this brought you feedback to life, smash that like button and subscribe for more Android plus Facebook fixes.